Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we have seen with path parameters. In this video we will see with query parameters. So path parameters and query parameters are basically similar. There is one slight difference. If you see both of them you can define as key value pair and or object as a JSON object, and usage also you can see here. We have instead of path parameters we have query parameters and key value, and you can add multiple, the same with path parameters also, and you can add it as a JSON object. One difference that we have is we can no need to write the path variable here, while how we do there, it just you mention the endpoint. So let us try to write that and we'll try to execute. So I have three test cases with related to this. So let us write them. So I'll say spec dot get, and I'll write endpoint slash users, right, slash API slash users. Okay, now I'll say dot with query parameters. What are the query parameters? Let's say there is a query parameter called gender, and let's say email, and I'll say dot expect status as 200, right? Let's try to execute. I'll open the terminal. I'll just try to run the test. So one test pass. Now similarly we'll write the other two test cases with different way how we can write. So here if you see, for quick saving the time, we'll just copy it. You can add it as a multiple query parameters also. Let's say I'll say with query parameters, with query params of, I'll say country as India, country as IND, and in the next what I'll do, right, I'll try to write both query parameters as a single JSON object. So what I'll do, I'll just copy, I'll cut it from here. I'll say I'll paste it and I'll convert it into key values. Basically we are trying to convert it into JSON. So let me format it. If you see, we have added it as a JSON and we'll remove it. Okay, now if I run, then all the test cases pass. So that's very simple with query parameters and path parameters. You can also try it. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.